Hello, hello, beautiful people. Today we're doing another declutter. We're going to go through my correctors, concealers, and powders. So I'm going to just start because I have so many with the Huda Beauty. I really love the loose powder, so I'm going to keep all three. I have a peach, a pink, and then a yellow undertone. With these Easy Bake and Snatch, I'm not sure if I'm using these wrong or what, because these are really like light to the touch, but when I use them underneath my eyes, they kind of look very dry. Lately, I've been having that issue. I'm going to give them one last go, and if not, I'm going to declutter them. The Charlotte Tilbury, I have a little mini one. Really love this for underneath the eyes. It's perfect. I have the shade number 1 for underneath my eyes. And then we have the Hourglass. I think the pan is enough for you to see that I love this. So I'm going to keep this. And this is the Diffuse Light. For underneath the eyes, I also have the Givenchy powders. These are a little bit way too shimmery. I don't know if I should try them for all over the face, but I do really feel like it doesn't look as flattering underneath the eyes because of how shimmery they are. So do you see that sheen that it has? So I don't really like that, especially now that I have the matte one. I really love the matte a little bit better for underneath the eyes. So I think I'm going to test these for all over the face. And if not, I might get rid of them, which sucks because they're super pricey. I also have the Laura Mercier Air. This is the Secret Brightening Powder. And this is just okay. It does give a white cast, so you have to be careful if you're going to be doing flash photos. But I'm going to keep it and just keep testing this out. Maybe do a review on it. And then we have these Bare Mineral ones. I'm still kind of testing these out, so I'm going to leave these in here as well. For the correctors, here, this one's brand new for the Rock, so I'm testing that out. Love the Bobbi Brown. Just got this one. I feel like it's a little too dark, but I'm going to keep testing it out. Let me know if you guys want a review on anything. Bobbi Brown, love this as well. Her formula is absolutely amazing. Let me see. I feel like these from Huda Beauty are a little bit on the older side and don't work as well as they used to, so I'm going to declutter those. Love this one from Pixi. This is absolutely fabulous. This one I use more for my melasma, kind of like the Bobbi Brown one. So these two are the ones that I use more for my melasma, not as much for correcting underneath the eye. This one is really nice as well, but you do really need to warm this up. This is the Smashbox and Becca. This one is, oh, this is from MAC. This is a really nice one as well. This I like, but sometimes it can be a little bit too thick. It's a very emollient though, so I'm doing horrible at this. Okay, for correctors, I think it's just going to be the Huda Beauty leaving. Everything else is going to stay. So we're just going to declutter these two. Okay, so let me move you guys over a tad bit over here. Here on the concealers, I do have more things that I want to take out. The Tarte Creaseless Concealer, she is thick. She is way too thick. I really wanted to give this a go and like it, but it is like one of those really thick textures, so I'm going to be taking that out. This one from Tarte, I just feel like the shade is a little too light for me as well. So another one that I'm going to be removing. This is the Ultra Creamy. I also have the Tarte Shape Tape, and this one is the opposite. Yeah, and I've had quite a few of these for quite some time, so I'm trying to look for more thinner, more nice, lighter coverage looking concealers. So any recommendations, leave them below. This one is a Korean one from the Siam, and it's another one that is too heavy for underneath my eyes. So another one I'm going to be removing. I don't know if the formula of this changed or something, but this is the mineralized concealer. I've tried it a few times and it does not look nice underneath my eyes. I used to love this, so I think it's because it's old. This is brand new. I'm still testing this one from Fenty. This is brand new. This one from Rare Beauty, I like the formula. It's a little light for me, but I can mix it in with some of the other ones that I have, or to like darken it. This one's pretty brand new as well, the Pro Longwear. I like this Fenty one. This NARS, I don't know what the hype about this is because I don't feel like this works really well underneath my eyes. So another one that I'm going to declutter. Love the Tower 28, so Tower 28 is going to stay. This one from e.l.f. is also very light. The YSL, this one's brand new. So all of these can stay. Let's just kind of move these. These from Huda Beauty are pretty old. I think I'm going to only stay with one. If I need to stay with one, I think that this one is too light. This is the shade. Let me see what the shades look like. This is Cotton Candy. This is the shade Nugget. And then this is the shade Coconut Flakes. So I feel like Coconut Flakes for sure can stay. The one that I need to get rid of is Coconut Candy. I feel like is a little too light for me now. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. And Nugget is kind of like that yellow in between, so this one can stay as well. This one from Boing I really enjoy. You do have to be a little bit light-handed with this. I feel like some of these shades I need to buy again, but in a darker shade. Some of these I can use to lighten, just to brighten a little bit more, but for the majority of the part, I don't want to just keep it if it's way too light. So with this one, I feel like light is way too light. Natural beige is more of a shade that suits my under eyes. Wow, that is, yeah. So natural beige, I think I'm going to keep, and light I'm going to remove from the Feria. And yeah, I feel like I did a pretty good job on the concealers majorly. The rest of these, I think can stay. So I removed 8 concealers from my collection. I removed 2 correctors, and then these powders I'm going to try on my face. If not, I'm going to declutter. So this is what it looks like right now. And if you guys have any recommendations, I'm going to start doing reviews on concealers again, especially now that I've hit 40. I just feel like they sit way different on my under eyes, so I really want to thoroughly review stuff, maybe buy some stuff and then kind of update you guys, especially if something's old. I don't want to be testing it out. But with these Huda Beauty, I feel like they're a little old, so I might need to test these out one more time, and if not, I might declutter these 2 as well from here. But I will be cleaning this out and rearranging everything so it's nice and clean, which is what I've been doing. Hope you guys enjoyed this declutter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.